Dive into acrylics. A colorful adventure awaits. Acrylic painting is a fantastic way to express yourself. It's fun and easy to learn. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Grab your brushes and let's get started. Acrylic paints are versatile and easy to clean up. They dry quickly so you can layer colors and build depth in your artwork. Acrylics can be used on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, paper, and even wood. The possibilities are endless. Acrylic painting is a journey of self-discovery and joy. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single brushstroke. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and let the colors dance on your canvas. Your art toolkit. Gearing up for creative expression. Before you begin your acrylic painting adventure, you'll need a few essential supplies. Don't worry, you don't need a lot of fancy equipment. Start with the basics. First, you'll need a set of acrylic paints. Choose a variety of colors that inspire you. Next, select a set of paintbrushes in various shapes and sizes. Round brushes are great for details, while flat brushes are perfect for covering large areas. You'll also need a palette to mix your paints on. You can use a traditional palette, a plate, or even a piece of wax paper. Finally, choose a surface to paint on. Canvas boards are a popular choice for beginners because they are affordable and readily available. You can also use watercolor paper, wood, or even an old canvas you want to repurpose. First strokes. Easy techniques to get you started. Now that you have your supplies, it's time to start painting. Begin by sketching out your design lightly on your canvas with a pencil. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to mix your paints. Dip your brush into water and then into the paint color of your choice. Start by painting the background of your painting and then move on to the foreground. Use light strokes and don't worry about being perfect. Experiment with different brush strokes to create different effects. For example, you can use short choppy strokes to create texture or long smooth strokes to create a blended effect. Remember, practice makes perfect. Unlocking your inner artist tips, apps, and inspiration galore. One of the best ways to improve your painting skills is to find inspiration from other artists. There are many free apps available that can help you find inspiration and learn new techniques. Check out Pinterest for a treasure trove of painting ideas. Another great app is Skillshare, which offers a wide variety of online art classes, including acrylic painting for beginners. You can also find inspiration in everyday life. Take a walk in nature, visit a museum, or simply look around your home for objects that catch your eye. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you paint, the better you'll become. So grab your brushes, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the journey.